Good morning, children. In the first chapter, you revised the things which you have learned at your previous classes. I hope all of you have done the homework which Ranjita teacher had given you. Am I correct? Yes, you have done that. Children, our second chapter is about place value. About place value. Already you know how to find the place value of each digit in a 4-digit number. Which is the smallest 4-digit number? Yes, 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Then which is the largest 4-digit number? Yes, 9999 is the largest 4-digit number. Okay. Can you arrange the digits in the place value chart? How can we draw the place value chart? Yes, for 4 digits, we want ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Then, let us arrange a number. For example, 3425. Okay, how many ones are there? Yes, 5 ones. Then how many tens are there? 2 hundreds, 4 hundreds and 3 thousands. Okay, all of you take your book, page number 87. Fill in the blanks. First one, 4689. Write in figure. How can we write it? Yes, first let us make the place value chart. It will help us to write the number very easily. Here you can see up to 1000. So, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, let us arrange the digits. 4000. So, below the 1000, 4. Next, you can see 600. Below 100, 6. Then 89. 89. Now, we wrote the number. Let us write it here. 4689. Okay, children, when you change the number names to figure, you can use this method. It will help to do the work very easily. Okay. Next, our second. The place value of 8 in 1876. Look, the place value of 8 in 1876. It is also, we can write in place value chart. Look here, how many thousands are there? Only 1876. Okay, we want the place value of 8. Where is 8? Under 100. So, the place value of 8 is 8 into 100. 8 into 100. What is that? 800. Did you get it? So, let us write the place value of 8 in 1876. What is that? Yes, 800. Okay. Next, the place value of 0 in 3042. Dear children, whenever we write the place value of 0, the place value of 0 always 0. The place value of 0 in a number that is always 0. So let us write 0. Next, 3,400 and 2 tens plus 6 ones. How we can write it? Short form. Look here. How many thousands are there? 3,000. How many hundreds are there? 400. Then 2 tens plus 6 ones. Okay. Here under 1,000, 3,000. Then under 100, 400. Then under tens, 2 tens. Then how many ones are there? 6 ones. Now we have found the number 3,426. Okay, did you get it? Okay. Next we are going to learn about 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers. Okay children, which is the smallest 1-digit number? Smallest 1-digit number. Yes, 1 is the smallest 1-digit number. Then which is the largest 1-digit number? 9 is the largest 1-digit number. You know that. Next, the smallest 2-digit number. What should we do? Yes, the digits 1 and 0. What is this? 10. To get smallest 2-digit number, we should add 1 with the largest 1-digit number. Did you get it? Means 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Largest 1-digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 2-digit number. Okay. Next, largest 2-digit number. Yes, the digit 9 2 times. When we write the digit 9 2 times, we can get the largest 2-digit number. Next, smallest 3-digit number is 100 and largest 3-digit number is 999. Next, smallest 4-digit number. Yes, you have learned that is 1,000 and largest 4-digit number is 9,999. Okay. Next we are going to 5-digit numbers. Can you say which is the smallest 5-digit number? What should we do? Yes, to get smallest 5-digit number, we should add 1 plus this number. What will be that? Add 9,999 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry the 110 to next place. Then 1 plus 9, 10. Again write the 0 and bring the 1 to here. 1 plus 9, 10. 0. Carry the 1 to next place. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. Which is the number? Is 10,000. Look here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So it is the smallest 5-digit number. Okay. Then now can you say the largest 5-digit number? Yes, it is very easy. You have got it already. What should we do? Yes, write the digit 9 5 times. Which number is this? Say 99,999. Okay, look, read it. 99,999. Okay. To learn more, we can use the place value chart. Okay. How is that? Yes, ones, yes, tens, next hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000. TH 10,000. How can we divide the place value chart? How can we divide the place value chart? First, let us make periods. First periods, ones period, then thousands, period. How many digits are there? 3 digits. Then thousands period, there are 2 digits. By this chart, we can read and write the numbers very easily. Then ones period, which are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds. Next, thousands period, which are the places? Thousands and 10,000. Now let us write a number. For example, 98,153. Look here, 98,153. Here you can see how many ones are there? 3 ones, 5 tens, 100, 8,000 and 10,000. How can we read it? How many thousands are there? 98,000. Next, how many ones are there? 153 ones. How can we read it? 98,153. Can you get it? I shall give one more example. 5-digit number. How many digits are there? 5 digits. How can we arrange them in place value chart? How many ones are there? 9 ones, 7 tens, 6 hundreds, 2 thousands, 3 10,000s. Look here. How can we write it? 32 thousands. How many ones are there? 679 ones. So let us give after a period. Look here. Ones period, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Here we can give a comma to separate the periods. So 32 is thousands. Ones 679 ones. Now, did you get? Next, let us learn how can we represent 5-digit numbers on the abacus. Look here. The order ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Next, how many ones are there? 1, 1. So, let us give one bead here. Next, how many tens are there? Look here, under tens, we should give 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 0 hundreds. There is no need of a bead. Next, 3 thousands. Under 1000, how many beads are needed? 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Next, how many 10,000s are there? 6 10,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 1, 8, 0, 3, then 6. How can we read it? Yes. Can you separate the periods? Yes. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, let us give comma. 63 thousands and 81. Understood? Okay. Next we are going to write the expanded form of the 5-digit numbers. Here I have written a 5-digit number. Okay. Let us write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands and 10,000s. Here, as you know, 3 ones. How many ones are there? 3 ones. 3 ones are 3. Next, this 4 tens. 4 into 10. 4 tens are 40. Next, 7 hundreds. 7 into 100. 700. Next, 6 thousands. 6 into 1000. Yes, 6,000. Next, 5 10,000. 5 into 10,000. 5 ones are 5. Then how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 50,000. Now let us write this. Its expanded form. 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 3. So let us write first 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus next 40, next 3. It is the expanded form of 56,743.